Hi, welcome to Module 5. This is where we're going to talk about the Grade Center, and it's a crash course in the Grade Center. The Grade Center is basically the dashboard of how your students are progressing through your course, through the assignments. It's collecting data from the tools that you've been using in this course, which would be discussions, tools, the tests and the assignments. And you can also create columns for things that are not created in Blackboard, like if you handed out a final exam or presentations or participation. So this tool is very, very detailed, and it takes a little bit of attention to get used to it. But again, that's what your sandbox site is all about. We're going to learn in this module about navigating the Grade Center, sorting and hiding rows and columns to keep this big, wieldy spreadsheet under control, some advanced features in the Grade Center, creating columns and creating things to help you manage the display of your Grade Center, like some color coding, some smart views, which will help you sort and basically dice and slice various things that you want to take a more closer look at. Also, we're going to talk about things like editing grades, the grade history. So it's a great tool to help you keep a pulse on what's happening. Also, there's another tool that is a companion tool, which is called the Retention Center. And this is where you can figure out which students might be at risk, some of the course activity that's going on. You can create rules to monitor various people. It's quite a powerful tool to also help you with the retention of your students and sort of intervening at earlier points to help them in the game. Finally, we're going to wrap up with a quiz, and hopefully you get to practice again using your student preview user in your Grade Center so that you will start to become more familiar with how the tool works. Happy Module 5.